Google Translate this word into French and you will get $11. If you translate another sentence, you can earn up to $50. And you can do this all day long if you want to and can make over $174 a day with Google Translate. So the first step we are going to do is to go over to the Google Translate. Google Translate is simply a free service that is provided by Google to general public, and we are going to use this service to make money online today. It is actually very simple to use Google Translate. First, you choose the language that you want to translate and then choose the language that you want to translate the word into. For example, if you want to translate this word here from English into Japanese, as soon as you type anything, immediately the word will be translated into Japanese. It is pretty easy to use, so I am now going to show you how you can use this free tool and get paid $11 every minute translating words. Step number 2 is to come over to cpagrip.com. CPA Grip is one of the best CPA network out there, so I want you to click where it says register and create an account on this website. But keep in mind, you need a Skype ID for this, which you can create for completely free on the official website of Skype. And make sure you check these 2 terms and conditions of I agree I will not complete the offers myself and I agree I will not use proxy, VPN or bot software to complete the leads. And once you log in, your dashboard will look something like this, where you can see different people from all around the world sharing their earnings from CPA Grip. So you know that this site is available worldwide and you can earn money on it from anywhere in the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name. And by the end of this video, I will show you how to set up all these systems together so that you can earn $174 a day in complete passive income. So stay tuned until the end. Now, I want you to hover your mouse on left-hand side, click on Offer Tools option, and then select My Offers from there. As you can see, the website will detect your present location by default and it will show you the offers that are available for your country. For the United States, you can earn 34 cents the least per lead you generate for the offers, and the highest we can earn is $2 per lead. And if you have a high volume of traffic, you can make a lot of money doing this. But let me show you some really high-paying offers that no one is talking about, where you can make 10 times more money from the offers. First, we need to use top-paying countries that have high-value offers. For example, let us click and select a different country like France. As you can see here in France, they have the highest $23 payout, which is a lot higher than the $2 that we just saw for the offers of United States. And the reason why it is like that is because not many people are using these countries to make money, so they are willing to pay more money to incentivize people to start using their website in these countries. Now, let us try a different country such as Spain. So here in Spain, the highest paid offer is for $19 as of now when I am creating this video. So all you have to do is go over the offers in all these countries like Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Mexico and so on and look for the best paying offers. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using France since it has the highest paying offers and because the website we are going to promote these offers also has over 53% of the traffic coming directly from France. And the good thing is that it has over 1.3 million monthly visitors visiting this website and more than 400,000 new users join this website every single month. And because these people speaks the French language, we will be using our free Google tool in order to promote any French offers on this website. So the third step is we need an affiliate link for the offers of France. So in order to get our link to promote, let us select the France in the countries and just click where it says payout in order to find the most paying offers available for France. So now on your screen, these are the highest paying offers for France. And as you can see, all of them are in French language. Now, you can choose the one you like, promote that to earn a good amount of money with it. But I would suggest you to go with this offer of $10 available here because this offer is available for your desktop and laptop device and for both the iOS devices and the Android devices because the site we are going to use has most of the people using all 3 of them, which you can see on the screen right now. So, to not leave any money on the table, I would suggest you to choose this offer. Now, let us open this offer to understand what this offer is exactly about. And because most of us are not from France, let us translate this offer into French using Google Translate. So, just copy the headline of this offer and come over to Google Translate, select the French language from different languages available here, and paste the offer headline in this box. And immediately, Google will translate this headline into English. So the headline is, receive your €500 gift card. Just like this, copy the subheading of the offer and paste it into this French box. So the subheading says, check with your PayPal, which I guess means sign in with your PayPal. So, if you promote this offer, whenever someone visits this offer website using our affiliate link and sign into the offer with their PayPal, we will get paid $10.27 for each person that sign up to this offer. But before you start promoting this offer, I want you to select the tracking domain from here and make sure you select the new tracking domain because the old ones get banned easily. So now, you can copy your affiliate link by pressing this copy link button over here. And the fourth step is to come over to this website which is going to pay you this amount of money, and you don't even need to generate any lead to CPA offers, neither you need to sell anything. But here, you will get paid whenever someone clicks on your link. So, this website is shortyearn.com, and you can see, for 1,000 views you are going to get money. For example, for Greenland views, you will get $50, and so on. So just go to shortyearn.com and then you just want to click on sign up for an account. It's going to take you to this page where you can create a brand new account. So once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, I want you to click where it says new shorten link. And it's going to show you this box here where you can paste your CPA affiliate link and shorten it by pressing the shorten button right here. So let us copy our CPA affiliate link from cpagrip.com and come back to ShortyEarn and paste our link in this bar over here. And then press shorten. It's going to load and it will give you a unique link that you can use to promote your CPA offer. Now, whenever someone will visit the offer using this link, you are going to get paid some amount. And if they sign up for free to the offer, you will get paid another $10.27. So, you can copy your shortened link from this icon over here and your shortened URL will be copied. But don't start promoting this shortened link right now. We need to make some more changes to it. And for this, the step number 5 is to come over to sites.google.com. Now, if you are a regular viewer of this channel, you must know that this is a free service from Google where you can create your website for completely free. So first of all, delete the header from there and then select the text option from right-hand side. Now, what I want you to do is copy the headline of your CPA offer from cpagrip.com and paste it here in this text box. Change the size of this text, change the color of this text, and also make it bold so it looks attractive. Next, I want you to go back to CPA Grip offer again, right-click on this image showing in the offer, and click on open a new tab from there. The image will be opened in new tab. Now just right-click again, and click on save image as, and save the image to your device. Now, come back to Google Sites again, select the option of image, and click on upload to upload the image we just downloaded from cpagrip.com. Adjust the image to the center of your website, then come over to Google Translate again and type in something like this. Click here to get 500 euros, and you will get the French version of this text. Now, just copy it from here and come back to Google Sites again. I want you to hover your mouse on right-hand side, scroll down a little bit, and click where it says button. Paste the text in this button name that you copied from Google Translate. And for the link, I want you to go back to ShortyEarn and copy your shortened link from there. And paste that link into this box of button link right here and click insert, and the button will be added to your Google site. Now, you just need to adjust a button on above the image you uploaded. Also, I want you to copy your button right here and then drag the second button to the bottom of the image. Now, your Google website is complete and ready to be published. So, just click on this publish button on top right corner. And here, I want you to give your website a unique name. It can be anything, it just needs to be unique, just like you are seeing on the screen right now. Once you do that, just click on publish and your Google site will be published. Now, just copy the link of your Google website from this icon over here and just click on copy to copy your website link. And the step number 6 is to come over to pearltree.com. Pearltree is a social media website just like Threads and Twitter, where more than 1.3 million people visits every single month. Now, I want you to register yourself on Pearltree and log into your account. Once you log in, I want you to click on the plus icon over here and select the web page option from there. I want you to paste the link of your Google website in this box right here and click on add to add your website page to Pearltree. And as you can see here, your website has been successfully added to the site. And now, whenever someone will see this site, they can see that they will receive 500 euros for free and they will visit this website. And once they sign up to the offer, you will earn $11 approx for each person signing up to this offer, which include the payment from both CPA Grip and ShortyEarn.com. And just like this, you can earn up to $174 a day using Google Translate.